Welcome to RealBooks. Got multiple ledgers to be created in RealBooks? Save your time with our Excel upload feature in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Download the Excel import template. Step 2. Prepare the data in the prescribed format. Step 3. Upload the files. And it is done. Let's understand the process with an example. But first, download the template. Go to Transactions, Import Export, Import. Select Ledger Master and click on Download Template. Once you open the Excel file, you see multiple sheets in the workbook. Each sheet has its own significance, and all of them are interconnected with each other. To start with, you need to fill in the data in the first sheet, which is the ledger group sheet. Enter the serial number, ledger group name, and parent group name, nature. You can enter ledger group code or system will generate the code automatically. Moving to the next sheet, ledger. This captures all the ledger details you wanted to create on RealBooks. Learn what to enter under every column. Read this help and instruction. Enter the serial number, ledger group name, ledger name. If you want to enable cost center and bill, enter Y, otherwise enter N. You can set the credit period if needed. Enter the ledger code if applicable, or RealBooks will generate it automatically. Enter SAC code if applicable. If you entered ledger group as sundry debtor or creditor, then fill in the details in the party sheet. In party sheet, we have multiple columns to capture the every specific details of the customer or vendor supplier. Go to the party help page to learn what to enter under every column. This help and instruction sheet. Same way other sheets are to be filled. Each sheet has some instructions too. Once done, the Excel is to be uploaded. Click on Choose File, select the file, and click on Upload. Once the file gets uploaded, you will be redirected to the import listing page. The upload status can be checked from there. On successful uploading, the status will be shown as success. You can view the uploaded ledger master from View option in Accounts Master menu. Feel free to contact us in case you have any queries. Thanks for watching.